In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start a video call on Discord mobile. Okay, so the process is pretty straightforward and all you need to do once you've loaded up Discord. Okay, so the first way to video call someone is you can see you have all your chats on the right hand side of all the server circles. But if you can't find the person in that specific list, what you can do is tap on your friends icon by tapping the little man with his hand up there at the bottom bar. Then that's going to show you all your available friends that you have on Discord. Then you can go ahead and tap on their name from here. And then you can see it says message, call, and the call button would be a voice call. But then the next option would be video. That would be a video call. So all you would need to do is tap on the video call button. And then that's going to go ahead and start a video call with this specific person. Now I'm not going to call them because I don't want to disturb them, but that would be how you do it. So if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.